Good evening, my dear friends, brothers and sisters. Today, we will learn how to tell time. Before learning this, I would like to say one thing. In this world, there are different type of people. They express their ideas, their thoughts in different way. So, my dear friends, brothers and sisters, if you ask time to someone, to an unknown person, he or she can give answer in different way. So we should learn how to tell time in different way, in different process. So I'll discuss on this topic. How to tell time. And sometimes I will speak in Bengali. Bengali is my mother tongue. So before asking time to someone, you should say, "Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me." Suppose if I ask time to you, "Excuse me," then you will say, "Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please." You have to say this with smiling face. যদি আমি তোমাকে টাইম জিজ্ঞাসা করি, সর্বপ্রথম বলবো এক্সকিউজ মি, তারপর তুমি বলবে ইয়েস প্লিজ উইথ স্মাইলিং ফেস। ওকে, দেন আই উইল আস্ক টাইম, হোয়াট ইজ টাইম প্লিজ? হোয়াট ইজ টাইম প্লিজ? সময় কত? দয়া করে সময়টা বলুন। উই শুড সে প্লিজ। Without please, this sentence will be like order. What is time? Hey, shomoy koto re? But we should say please. English is very polite language. We should ask time in requesting tone, in polite way. My dear friends, brothers and sisters, you should remember this. Suppose it is 10:20 PM, ধরো এখন 10:20 বাজে। I will say in English, it is 10:20 PM. It is also right. Oh, we should know what is the full form of PM. What is the meaning of PM? P for post. Meri DM. PM stands for post meridian. So it is also right. We should learn another way. This is number 1. Number 2, we can say it is 20 minutes past 10 PM. It is 20 minutes past 10 PM. That means দেখো আমাদের জীবন থেকে 10:20 অতিক্রান্ত হয়ে গেছে, পার হয়ে গেছে, পাস্ট হয়ে গেছে। So we can say it is 20 minutes past 10 PM. That means 10:20 বাজে। We can say another way. Number 3. তাহলে দেখো এখন 11টা বাজতে 40 মিনিট বাকি। কত মিনিট? 40 minutes. remaining. So we can say it is 40 minutes to 11 p.m. We should remember বেজে গেলে পাস্ট, বাকি থাকলে টু। যদি 10টা বেজে 20 মিনিট হয়ে যায় উই শুড ইউজ পাস্ট, আর বাকি থাকলে টু। বেজে গেলে পাস্ট, বাকি থাকলে টু। উই শুড রিমেম্বার দিস, ইউ শুড রিমেম্বার দিস মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, brothers and sisters. So just we have learned in 3 ways how to tell time. I will ask the question at last. You have to give answer. You should listen with rapt attention, my dear friends, brothers and sisters. Suppose একটা 30 বাজে, একটা 30। What will you say in English? It is 1 p.m. It is 1 p.m. We can say it is 1 p.m. Why I will say half? Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So half means 30. So we can say it is 1 p.m. Or we can say it is 1:30 p.m. It is also right. So suppose ten 50 15 a.m. So what is AM? What is the full form of AM? A for anti, M for meridian. I would like to say in Bengali just like রাত 12টার পর থেকে দুপুর 12টা আগে পর্যন্ত we can use AM, anti meridian, and দুপুর 12টার পর থেকে রাত 12টার আগে পর্যন্ত we can use PM, post meridian. My dear friends, we should remember this. So how will say this? কিভাবে বলবে 10টা 15? It is 10:15 a.m. It is also right. Or we can say it is quarter past 10 a.m. So there is one question. Why we will use quarter? Why I will use quarter? Quarter means suppose 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. I have told this. So I divided it in 4 equal parts. 15, 15, 15, 15 minutes. In total 60. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So one part we can say quarter. We can say quarter. So it is quarter past 10 a.m. means 10টা বেজে 15 মিনিট। if I say it is quarter to 10 am. Quarter to 10 am. That means 10টা বাজতে 15 মিনিট বাকি আছে। I have told বেজে গেলে past, বাকি থাকলে to। 10টা 15। It is quarter past 10 am. 10টা বাজতে 15 মিনিট বাকি আছে। It is quarter to 10. Okay? That means it is 45 minutes past 9 am. So, my dear friends, brothers and sisters, we should say time in this way. Now, I'll repeat it again. If you are going to ask time to me, what will say first? Please tell me in my comment box. What will say? Excuse me. Excuse me. Then I'll say yes please. I'll say yes please with smiling face. I'll show you my eagerness to listen your question. So then what will you say? Then what will you ask me? What is time please? What is time please? সময় কত? I'll say it is 11 p.m. It is 11 p.m. Or you can ask another way the time. What is time by your watch? What is time by your watch? By your own watch. আপনার ঘড়িতে বা তোমার ঘড়িতে এখন কটা বাজে? You can say, oh yes, just a moment. It is 1 p.m. But if you ask time first, you should say, thank you sir. Thank you my dear elder brother. Thank you uncle. Then you will say, it is my pleasure. Or you can say, you are most welcome. So, my dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, My School for All. This is my channel name, My School for All. If you dislike, you can dislike it. My dear friends, please subscribe my channel to upload many educational videos for learning English, how to speak in English with confidence, with fluency, with accuracy. Thank you so much.